Hello Islanders and fellow cruisers, welcome to the latest vlog. We're in Seville, Spain.
Yay!
A beautiful day. Mid-70s, we have a full day planned. This is our last port of call. Amanda has us signed up for a city tour today.
Yep, and we're in port so long that we get to do 2 excursions today.
Yeah, they'll buy one, get one, a cooking class this evening. So lots to show you. We are walking along the river here, headed to our short excursion. Going to the cathedral, which is one of the main sites to see. Look at the horse and buggy carrying people around. Welcome to the vlog. We hope that you enjoy our adventures with us here in Seville. Even though we arrived yesterday evening, we're just now being able to explore the city. First impressions.
Super nice. Clean, pretty, trees everywhere, orange trees everywhere, nice buildings.
Really is beautiful. Very European, to be expected. We are here in Seville and starting a tour on the palace. This area is beautiful, ancient, of course, lots of features and architecture from the Roman Empire. Just start the tour though. Let's go discover. I hopped out of the tour real quick just to shoot this quick video. We're bouncing from room to room and we've seen so much already. The sitting area when people came to see the king, where they would sit. We've seen the king's bedroom. We saw a fabulous painting that depicted Christopher Columbus and Native Americans for the first time, which was really cool. We're in the courtyard here, about to continue the tour. But this has been really, really neat. All the history that is here, so cool. Let's continue going. Done with part of the tour, the palace piece.
Yeah, it was neat to see where the king's bedroom would have been.
To imagine.
Imagine.
And had two sides of the bedroom. One in the summertime that was cooler.
Yeah.
And one for the wintertime where the sun would hit the marble and warm up the marble. That was cool. We're overlooking the garden. Now you can only imagine what events were held here literally hundreds of years ago. Palace, though, was beautiful. We still have the cathedral, which is supposed to be like the #1 thing to see in all the country. We're gonna head there in just a minute. What a great piece of the first part of the tour, though. Second part of the tour is the cathedral.
Yes.
An old cathedral, 1400s, 1500s. It survived an earthquake, and it was once a mosque.
Look at him with the facts.
Hundreds of years ago. We're going to get started on this tour, take you with us. We hope you enjoy it. A beautiful day here in Seville. Tour of this chapel and its history of the 14, 15, 1600s is unbelievable. We just saw the tomb of Christopher Columbus's son, one of his two sons. He is also buried here, and we'll see that here in just a little bit. Hope you're enjoying the tours and the sights of this beautiful chapel. We are now at the tomb of Christopher Columbus. I'll show it to you here. Here he is in the basilica. He rested in Santo Domingo, Dominican Republic, and in Cuba. Now he rests here. How cool.
And he is being held by the 4 kings.
Held by 4 kings. I'll show you around the side here. Held up in the air. These doors here go directly to the river. His love of water. Look at him suspended in the air. How cool is that? The history nerd in me gets me. Done with the guided tour. Amanda just said this may be one of her favorite places, history-wise, that you've ever visited.
It's been pretty informative. I loved having the guide. She kind of told us what everything meant and what each little monument was. So it was neat.
It was neat. Saint, of course, buried here. Christopher Columbus and his son.
Yes, one of his sons.
Lots of artwork. We're gonna go up to the tower now. Climb the tower. Get your walking shoes on.
Yeah, make the climb.
We made it to the top of the tower. I'm just showing you some views here with pictures. Was it worth the trek to the top?
It was worth the climb. You did get a little hot, but it was worth the climb.
Absolutely beautiful. Bells going off also as well. We got up here and it scared Amanda pretty good. Yeah, she's from big time. What an experience.
I don't know if you can find a better place to be than where we are right now. Seville, by the water, the beautiful bridge. We've got a pitcher of sangria. We're going to order some probably seafood paella. So we are enjoying ourselves right now for sure. And here in a little bit, we're going to go to our cooking class.
Sangria is so good, but it's time for food. The bread, of course, when you're in Europe, you're going to get, but we also got this local appetizer, red pepper, green pepper, onion, pork, and some oil. Looks amazing. Amanda has gone full-blown American and made a sandwich out of the appetizer. Give it a shot.
Bread, so it makes sense.
Let's know how it is.
Crunchy. For someone that doesn't like a lot of tomatoes, onions, and peppers, this is actually really good. And that's fish on there, not pork like we originally thought.
Ah, so good.
Actually really good. The olive oil with it, perfect. We are having seafood paella, shrimp, clams, calamari, all the seafood, peppers, vegetables, rice. You can tell it is freshly cooked. It is hot to the touch.
That is going to be great. Here we go, seafood paella. I got my plate served and there's still so much left. I don't know what we're gonna do with all this. Maybe bring some back to the States to you. Getting a bite here. We've had this before in Barcelona. We'll see how it compares. Paella is good. Seafood is good. What kills it though is the sauce. That is a Cajun sauce. Mike and Michelle Hebert. You'd be happy of the sauce right here. That is Cajun as it gets. Oh my gosh. So good. We are into the evening hours after we had an early dinner. Now we're gonna have another dinner. Cooking class time. We have found our location. We are probably 15 minutes early.
Yeah.
And we are about to cook. In 15 years of marriage, this is the first time I've seen Amanda dressed up, ready to cook in the kitchen. I like it. Cooking class is about to begin. The instruction about to begin. Here we go. Tomato soup. That's what's for dinner.
Dish, which is called spinach and chickpeas, are Andalusian recipes. Andalusian recipes, you can do whatever you want. Like, it's open to interpretation. We are not really.
She's learning. She's learning red sangria.
Got a little crazy on that one. Good thing you got the apron. I know.
What you think?
I don't know yet.
She booked it. I had no idea we were.
She doesn't like spinach.
3 miles.
I like spinach, but this is full of spinach. That's really good.
It was really nice.
The end of the cooking class and the end of a night.
Successful day, successful night. Now, time to find our cruise ship.
We hope you enjoyed the vlog. We had quite the adventure in Seville. You need to travel here. Put this on your bucket
Put it
list.
on the list.
It was unbelievable. We had a couple of days here. We wish we had more.
I know.
We're headed back to the Ozamar journey. We have a sea day tomorrow. We hope you've enjoyed following along with us. If we can help you book a trip like this, let us know. Reach out to us at
Travel at bookislandtime.com.
Until next time, we'll see you later on right here on Island Time.